Alright guys, this is for the two videos that I posted over the Audi A4 running rough and stalling. So whenever it gets to running rough and stalling and not wanting to start, it throws this P0221 code, throttle pedal position sensor switch B circuit range performance code, and then it throws this code P0506 idle air control system revolutions per minute lower than expected. I've changed the throttle body 3 times. The first time I changed it, I got a salvage yard throttle body. The second time I changed it, you guys have probably heard of A Premium. It's one of the cheaper, brands for these Audis to basically help you save money and get parts at the same time. It threw a throttle body code on that throttle body, so I went and I got an OEM throttle body. It costed a lot, but I got an OEM throttle body on this car, brand new. And then earlier this morning, it threw a throttle body code, and it threw these 2 codes. I don't know where to go at this point. I've tried to investigate this P0506 code, idle air control. I don't think we have a idle air control solenoid on the Audi A4 B7s with the 2.0 turbo. Everything is ran electronically through modules and all that type of stuff. This code, I guess you could say it has something to do with the throttle position sensor down there. That's probably my next step, is to go get a whole throttle pedal and the sensor and everything that's down there. I'm probably going to go get that next. But I'm kind of skunked out at this point because I've changed a lot of stuff on this car to try to get it to idle right and not stall or anything like that. I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes and it's been idling fine, but it's like once you leave, it just seems to be like once you leave your house, the Audi voodoo comes in, it wants to leave you stranded somewhere. But if you guys know anything about these codes or know the fixes on these 2 codes, or if you have any tips or tricks, you can leave it in the comments, I guess, for everybody else to see, so we all can, help each other on making our Audi A4s run good again. But yeah, I'm kind of stuck at this point. I guess I'm gonna get a throttle pedal position sensor at this point, and then I could show you guys me changing it and probably the process on that, because I haven't really seen a process on swapping the throttle pedal position sensor. So expect another video on that soon. But yeah, we're stuck on this at this point. That's probably the last thing I'm gonna change on this car before I kind of just stop throwing parts at it and probably send it to a mechanic. And then if they find something at that point, that's when you guys will see an updated video labeled fix, on the idle and stalling and stuff for the Audi A4. Expect a update on the throttle pedal position sensor soon, and I'll let you guys know if that fixes my problem or if it just is a waste of money again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any tips or tricks or solutions and fixes, leave it in the comments for me and everybody else to see, so we can get our cars running good again. Thank you guys for watching.